Guys, mag-check tayo ng guys sa Prino guys ng tractor. Check yung Prino guys, gaano pa kakapal yung lining. Isa natin check guys, may silipan to guys yung sa lining. Yan, chamber to guys, to with chamber. Tawag nyo piggy yung ibang tawag nito. Ito guys, ito lang yung siniservisan guys, ito hindi ito pinapalitan. Tapos pagtanggal nito guys, tinutulak lang ito guys. Oh my goodness, lubat na pala guys. Ito guys, quick lang guys, pakita ko guys paano malaman kung makapal pa guys. Ito, nanggal ko to guys. Yan guys, makikita na guys yung naka-curve guys. Pag umabot yan dito guys, palitan na yan guys. Nasa 5mm yung kapal guys, okay pa to guys, goods pa. Yan pala tandaan guys. So yung naka-curve guys, pag napudpud to guys, yung naka-curve, wala na guys, palitan na guys. Pa hindi abot sa sana guys sa brake drum. Pero yan guys, makapal pa, 5mm. Bilang pa to ng taon guys bago yan guys, mapudpud. Ayan guys, silipan yan guys. Lahat yan guys, parehas lang. Silipan, yung apat na gulong sisilipin na guys. Yan lang guys, sa mga to guys, tractor 6WF1 Isuzu. Yan lang guys, thank you.